Using the adaptive cruise control system inside of Kia vehicles is a very straightforward process. So you've got a series of different controls along the outside here. So you can toggle the adaptive cruise control system on or off, so you can tell that it's on there. And then it's a distance indicator. So how close or far away do you want to be away from the vehicle that's in front of you? And then as you start driving, you can then push up and down in order to be able to increase or decrease either 1 kilometer or 1 mile per hour at a time. So from here, I'm the closest distance away. I want you to think of it like a 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi type of a rule. So it's how close or far away do you want to be from the vehicle that's in front of you. I'm on a 50 kilometer an hour road right now, and you can see there. So even though I've got it set at 50, the cars in front of me are going much slower. So it's got me slowing down there, and it's going to start picking me back up to that set speed again. And then I've also got the little steering wheel button turned on there. And what that one is, it's essentially a lane follow assist. So what the vehicle is going to do is it's going to keep you perfectly balanced in your lane as you go. It's a very, very smart system. And then you might have just picked that up there. As you use the turn stock, so go left, right, whatever the case may be, it's automatic. It's going to show you what's going on in your blind spot directly inside of the cluster screen. It's not standard across all Kia vehicles, and this is the Kia Carnival. It's not standard across the entire Carnival lineup either. It is specific, but if you've got the 360 camera, chances are good you've also got the blind spot monitor system inside of the cluster screen as well. But the system here is great. So as mentioned, so you can toggle the system on or off. It's plus or minus. You can also cancel the cruise control that way, or you can resume it by pushing the button in there. You can also press the brake if you want to stop it, or press again in order to be able to resume it. So it's very straightforward. And then from there, car is going. And then as I mentioned, the distance indicator. So it's how close or far away do you want to be from the vehicle that's in front of you. But I mean, this thing will take you right down to a complete stop. And when traffic starts moving again, you can push the gas to go, or you'd then push up in order to be able to resume your previously set speed. It's really straightforward. And then the lane centering system is going as well. So it's keeping me, lane follow assist. So it's keeping me perfectly balanced in the lane as I drive. Your hands technically need to be on the wheel, but I mean, if you lose focus for a brief second, eventually it's going to tell you that your hands need to be on the wheel. It's great, and I want to show you here. So this is going to take you down to a complete stop. You could ride the brake if you want to, if you're not sure about the technology, but I mean, here we're far away and the vehicle is bringing me right down to a full stop, and my feet are not touching the brake. And will you stop? You did stop. Perfect. There we go. So, I mean, very straightforward there, and this is perfect because you can see there, so use the switcher pedal to accelerate, so you can push up in order to keep going again, or you just press the accelerator, so the gas pedal, in order to just keep yourself going. And let's shorten up the distance a little bit here. But I mean, look at that. It's such a great system. So you can use it just on regular city streets here as well. Just make sure that you're paying attention. Honestly, I find the best place to use it is obviously going to be on the highway as well. But I mean, it's a matter of preference there. The reason why I enjoy using it is because I can have a little bit of a lead foot sometimes. So having this reminder that I should only be going the correct speed is very, very useful. I just love that. The blind view monitor is so cool. I love it. And then let's just go back up to 50 kilometers an hour there, and you're set to go. So that's how you use the adaptive cruise control system inside of Kia vehicles.